I think he thinks he's hurting her or something.
No, I'm not playing it. Kayla is playing it. Oh. He's like, here, you can have it. Look at him. Look at him. He's like, you can have it. You can have it. You can have it. Here. And she's like, no, I don't want it now. Hey, now you're throwing it at me.
Get her, baby, get her. No. Let me go. Let me get you up.
You're all. He thinks it's her. Your weave. Your weave. Get her. He's like, it's my turn now.
Look, he's enjoying it, look. She don't even care.
He's hitting mostly me. Hold on. Remove.
He's like, forget you.
He's laughing. He's like, I don't want that.
Careful. It scares me when they get a little...
She's like, okay, that's it.
She's
Then she's like, that's it. I'm coming. She threw it at you. You better go get her. He gets so serious, like he knows she did it.
Lena's just watching, like, okay, I'm gonna learn. You know what it reminds me of? Wrestling.
Yeah.
The chair.
I'm sure. Oh. She's like, no.
He's drinking. Oh yeah?
No. Is that
He thinks it's her.
Yeah.
She's like, I'm trying to play. Look at she plays with
I zoomed it in by accident. Whoops. Oh well. Yeah, she gets real creative with stuff.
Oh my god. I can't believe he thinks it's her.
Uh-oh, now he's getting more fun with that. But I think he knows it's me now. Well, that one anyway. Because it's hard to hide behind that. It's so small.
Oh, she's taking after her mama.
Wapa. Yeah, wapa. It's like he's doing a little tap dance. It's like, I'm dancing. Like, bam. Bam. Oh, he did this. Oh, what was that?
Lily is like, what the heck? I mean, Lily. Oh my god, Alina is like, oh my god, what the hell?
What was that about? Look at Lily. Hi, I'm the teddy bear. I like to do the dance. Hey, I should do words with your toys here. There, there. Why do you just sit there, Chihuahua? Do a little dance. Like me, see? 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 I like to do a dance. Okay, I'll join in.
He's trying to